Zebec coin trading volume is up 28% in the last 24 hours. The trading volume is currently seated at $32.7 million across exchanges, which calls for a celebration because the higher we climb in the trading volume, the more eyeballs we are likely to attract towards Zebec Network coin. So in this video, we're going to be giving an update on the Zebec chart on the 4-hour time frame, and not to forget the fear and greed index, the altcoin season index. This is a very important indicator we need to pay attention to. Not to forget the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. The BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame as well. Something is about to happen on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm going to bring it to you guys' attention. Not to forget the orders chart and also the BTC price chart on the 1-hour time frame. By the way, before we proceed, my name is Isaac. In case this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Zebec failed to invalidate this previous significant support zone, which is now acting as a resistance zone for Zebec coin. So when we initially tapped into that zone, we got a rejection. The zone is between 0.0032 and the other one is around 0.0031. So as long as we are still below it, for now, bearish, for the short term, bearish on Zebec coin. But the moment you are seeing Zebec coin trading volume increase, the momentum increase, and you see Zebec approaching this zone, we might still get a rejection from there, because if you're paying attention, I just discovered this, what's it called? Fair value gap around this zone, which is likely to trigger some sell. If we are taking out this support level, you get to see the fair value gap I'm talking about. Now this is a fair value gap before this bearish order block, which is now validating that we also have a break of structure here before this massive downtrend, which is now validating this zone to be likely a very significant important zone for the price of Zebec coin. So you guys should not take that zone for granted. The zone is just around 0.0032, which was the zone I talked about previously. So that zone is very important. The moment we are flipping it into a support, invalidating that zone, then we should begin to maybe trade. Then we should begin to head higher to take out this liquidity right here around 0.0041. That liquidity is a very important level for we to take out in order to tap into this next liquidity around 0.0047 zone, between 0.0051 and also 0.0047 is a significant area we still need to encounter before we eventually tap into this point of execution. This area is still likely to be a point of execution, which you can place your sell order there on the leverage market, and then maybe set your TP around 0.0050, because we are likely to get a reversal from that zone. You flip this zone into a breaker block and then get a reversal from there. So we need to take out this point of interest, which is the point I labeled magnet, in order to start thinking of going higher for XCN coins. Let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. We are still waiting for that massive retracement on the BTC dominance. We are currently on the monthly time frame. The BTC dominance is currently around 65.22%. We are left with 24 days and 16 hours until this current indecisive monthly candle closes. We are still waiting for that massive retracement, massive correction on the BTC dominance in order to welcome ourselves officially into altcoin season. Now, if you're paying attention to the altcoin season index, you will notice we are now around 29% for the altcoin season index. By the time, which is still indicated that we are in the BTC index, the BTC season. Now, for we to enter into the altcoin season, we need to see this altcoin season index be in oscillator begin to make our way to the upside. 75% level for the altcoin season oscillator is a significant area you all should like keep your eye on. But you have to like use this altcoin season index and also the BTC dominance chart as a confluence in order to get a clearer picture of what to do when to execute your sell order or your buy order, or when to DCA into your favorite altcoins. Now, I think if the BTC dominance is not able to like get the rejection everyone has been waiting for this from this level, then we should begin to make our way gradually to around 71.44%, which I think your best bet will be to DCA into your favorite altcoins, because altcoins are going to bleed the moment the dominance try to make massive move to 71.44%. So DCA is the only strategy that is going to like keep you level-headed and not to like keep you sidelined. The last time the BTC dominance corrected -4%, that was a few months ago. We got a massive rally in the altcoin market. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, some 100, some 200% in a single 24 hours. Now, imagine what will happen when we start getting a massive retracement of -10% on the BTC dominance, -20, -30, -40, -47, -39%. Now, historically, the 39% zone is usually the bottom for the BTC dominance. But reverse was the case this time around in this market cycle. I think it's due to the institutional adoption, government involvement, the wider like adoption of cryptocurrency. That was what delayed our altcoin season as well. Historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. May 2018, same thing happened. May 2021, like virtually in every market cycle, that was what has happened. But reverse was the case in this current market cycle. But to be on the safer side, because we have a breaker here, to be on the safer side, I would advise you guys to start taking massive profit by the time the BTC dominance retraces to around 47% level. Take at least 70 to 80% profit off your altcoins holdings. And then hold the rest until we get a rejection to around the 40% level or 41% level to maximize your profit. Sooner or later, this retracement we are currently having on the BTC dominance, I'm expecting this retracement to continue and then maybe get a reversal bounce around 64.98%, and then tap into this previous support zone as a resistance zone, get another sell-off all the way to 64.5%. So 64.5% is an area I'm watching for the short term for the BTC dominance to retrace to. And if that retracement is happening, then altcoins are going to like get a relief rally. Now, this is how it works. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. And the moment you see the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to like have a relief rally. So that's just it. And if the BTC dominance is pumping to the upside and the BTC price is pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed hard, like seriously. Now, BTC on the 1 hour time frame, we have a clear and obvious, very, very crystal clear point of interest here between the price of $106,300 and $105,355. So that zone is a very, very, very significant zone on the price of BTC. But first, we need to like sweep this liquidity around $107,289. The moment we are successfully sweeping that liquidity, then easily expect to set your limit order either on the futures market or on the spot market around this level, $106,291 and also $105,355 respectively on the price of BTC. The Telegram group will be in the description of this video. I'm likely to drop the signal of this BTC chart as well in the group, so feel free to join. This is the orders chart on the weekly time frame, and if you're paying attention, this orders chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the last time we formed a pattern like this, we broke out of it and then got a massive send to the upside. The same pattern I've formed, we've broken out of it, flipped it into a support just like we did several months ago. The next moonshot on the orders chart is likely to align with altcoin season, which is going to be more monstrous than the previous moonshot we got after flipping this trend line to a support. We got a massive rally previously, 5 weeks rally to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the altcoin market, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Now, imagine what would then happen when we get another massive send from here and is aligning with the altcoin season index and also aligning with the BTC dominance retracement. Then it's going to definitely be very, very monstrous. Now, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently seated at 73%. Yesterday was great, 66%. Last week, 66% great. Last month was neutral, 52%. So, in a full-blown altcoin season, we can consistently sit on this grid zone and extreme grid zone for weeks and even months. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Peace out.